So what do you think about the pink?
Easy. Very easy.
Very easy?
Yeah.
Very simple,
looks,
isn't it?
and looks good too.
I think the scanning is probably the most beneficial.
And I don't think it was so much the classes as the instructor that really excelled today and yesterday.
Well, thank you.
I like both of them, and
Probably the staining, glazing, and the polishing. I feel like that's what we all want to learn, is how to shape some anterior teeth.
Look at you. You're very proud. Yeah, you did a very good job.
I liked the polish and the glaze. I was really surprised at how high of a polish you can get on Tessera without firing and glazing.
I like the denture. It's really short and it's really nifty. That was thinking outside the box.
I think staining and glazing was
Staining and glazing is favorite?
Yes.
I think it's really nice.
So fun.
Well, I love the staining glaze.
The staining glaze?
The crowns?
Mm-hmm.
Love that. That's great.
I mean, I think I like this denture one since I didn't know. I never thought about having this option.
So when we look at these, I think it's got a lot of applicability. So we do mill a lot of provisionals in the military. We get people that have a lot of, maybe destroyed or reduced dentitions. So it's got a lot of applicability if we're making a long-term provisional or if we're 3D printing some sort of a prosthetic that's broken when we're in a field environment with one of our 3D printers. Allows us to stack only maybe one material and then bring something else to color. So that way we're not bringing different 3D printed resins. So a lot of applicability, very valuable and a very quick trick that we can teach young providers to make them a little bit more efficient.